Assalamu alaikum. My name is Advin Shahid and I am a student of Rayan School and I am a foundation of a student. Today I am reviewed the TEDx Talk, the first 24-hour How to Learn Anything by Josh Kaufman. This inspiring talk challenges the common belief that mastering a new skills requires thousands of hours of practice. Josh Hoffman explained that while become a world-class expert may take years learning the basics of almost any skills and happen much faster. According to him, the biggest barrier to learning is not a time. It is a frustration and discomfort we experience when we are beginner. The key idea of the talk is that dedicating just 20 focused or to us new skills can lead a remarkable progress. He shares a simple four steps process. First, break the skill into smaller parts. Second, learn enough to correct your mistakes. Third, remove the distraction that slow down learning. And finally, practice consistently for at least 20 hours. What I found most powerful in the analogy that anyone can learn something new regardless of age for background, whether it's play an instrument learning and language coding or public speaking. The first step is simply to start. The talk remains us to perfection is not necessary in the beginning. Progress become more consist effort and willingness to become uncomfortable while learning. My biggest takeaway is that learning becomes easier when we stop fearing mistake and focus on small improvement every day. If you have ever wanted to learn a new skills but felt overwhelmed, this talk is identically worth watching. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and follow for more inspiring TEDx Talk review. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.